Today, I'll show you how to add services in Vagaro so your clients can easily book exactly what you offer. We'll walk through where to go in your account, how to choose the right type of service, and how to fill out the key details so your menu looks clean, professional, and easy to understand. First, log into your Vagaro account and head over to the settings area. Once you're in settings, look for the option called Service or Class Menu. This is where all of your bookable services live, and it's the central place you'll use anytime you want to add, edit, or remove something from your menu. In this video, you'll learn how to create a brand new service from that menu. On the Service or Class menu page, find the Add button. You'll usually see it either at the bottom of the list or up in the top right corner. Click Add and then choose Service. This tells Vagaro that you're adding a standard service that clients can view and book, rather than a class or something else. Next, you'll be asked to choose the type of service you want to create. You have two paths here. The first is a Vagaro service. With this option, you can search Vagaro's built-in library of standard service names like Full Highlight, Classic Manicure, or other common options in your industry. These preset names are optimized so customers can find you more easily in the Vagaro marketplace. If you want to show up in more searches and match what clients are already looking for, using a Vagaro service name can be a smart choice. The second path is to create a custom service. With this option, you're free to type in your own unique service name and write your own description. This is useful if you offer something specialized or branded that doesn't fit a standard name, or if you want to describe your services in your own style. Just keep in mind that clear, simple names are still best for helping clients understand what they're booking. Once you've chosen your path, it's time to fill in the essentials. Start with the service name and description. Aim for a name that is short, clear, and reflects what the service actually is. In the description, explain what's included, who it's best for, and any important details like general timing or what the client can expect. Focusing on the benefits helps clients feel confident they're picking the right service. Next, choose a category. This is how you group your services, and it makes a big difference in how organized your booking page looks. Common examples might be hair, nails, skincare, or consultation, depending on your business. Put each service into the most logical category so clients can quickly scan and find what they need. You'll also see a field for business cost. This is optional, but it can be very helpful. Here you can enter what it actually costs you to perform the service, including supplies or other expenses. Clients won't see this number, but Vagaro will use it in your reporting so you can better understand your profit on each service. Finally, assign providers and pricing. Select which team members can perform this service and set the price or price range for each one if they differ. Make sure your pricing reflects your time, expertise, and costs. When you're finished, save your changes and your new service will be added to your service or class menu and ready for clients to book.